Lost my thought, minsan ako Pasanabi, weekend namin kami yung go. What up, bro? At kasama siya Pahiniraman sa kanyang sa pinasa He was the number one and 0-0. Now it's the huncho, he's the hero. He was a kid with his heart down bad. 0 to hero in that time flat. 0 to hero, just like that. When it's not the case of my life. Yeah. And this life to stay on every man's door. Every rise by my besties and royalties. I could catch the burn. Now direction famous. He can tell you where the gate is at. Say, hey man, there he goes again. Feeling undefeated and that's what I'm there. First line touch, just to watch it flash. And there's never package like a petty patch. Like he comes easy, conquers. I need a cause, yeah, he's on the mercy, brains and mind. Still to hero, I made up. Still to hero, and who the thought? Who but the gladiator? Cause there and he's a gladiator. As we go, I can't lose. That's my star, cause I roll undefeated. Running high and then I just got conceded. He wasn't that bad. And I was a hard. Yeah, the highs I bet I see. I can say, that's yes, indeed. Okay, that's the best. That's the best I can do. I'm usually so ngongo sa taas. I'm thinking of relearning yung style ni Sia, yung vowels niya, yung how she to vowel or with me. Pero hindi ko pa napag-aralan. Hirap kasi I have to memorize my own I, o, ya, or not. Or we can just, leave the words tas ako na mag-adjust. Let's see. I'm usually not so understandable sa taas or sa baba. If I go low. Pero sa taas muna tayo. Pero I'm supposed to not sing this. I mean, my body wants to sing chest tone, chest mix. Pero I'm so high. So, anyway. So, I may mix. Buti may natira pa akong head tone. May isa doon na parang mag-chorba yung let's see. That's why I record. Because I'm not delulu. Because people always are delulu. They sing like and then kapag sinabihan mo nga pangit mong kumanta, sasabihin sa'yo ikaw pa masama, pupunta ka sa bahay, hawag-wagin yung bahay, tapos babariling ka, tapos violence. Diba? No. Kasi I'm not delulu. Tsaka ayoko magbayad ng kasi nga naman talaga ako magbayad ng enjoy!